Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. This is a video of a install we've done into an Alfa 159 estate. I'll turn that down. This is a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. It's also had a dash cam installed. There we are, so you can see. So this is also viewable on, so that's the front dash cam, and you can go into all the settings and adjust all your parking mode and play back all your videos that you've recorded. There we are, there's all the files there that you can see. You can switch on parking mode and switch it off, which is quite handy. You've also got, on this particular car, got a rear camera, so when it goes into reverse, it will come up automatically. Press the camera button again, it will disappear. So this is the CarPlay. This is wireless and wired. We've also got Android Auto, FM, DAB, all incorporated into this stereo. All the steering wheel controls will still work as well, which is a real nice feature. If you'd like to have this done in your Alfa 159, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.